So I want to do some of those sea sketches, and let's start with something very simple. So here I have, let's take this away. So here, let's do another one. And here it's very simple, this one. So what we do is we're going to draw the sea and the sky. And the sky is going to be reflecting in the sea. So I like sunsets. And there is also this mountain. So let's sketch it in. Here we're going to have the sea, the mountains, and there's going to be the sun. So I'm going to start with my violet on top. This is just my subjective color preference. So I'm starting with my violet on top, and I'm immediately going to put it here at the bottom as well. So adding it in. And here I want to work on contrasts between violets and kind of orange, yellow oranges. Next, we're going through pinks. According to color wheel, we're going through pinks into our oranges. And here we're going to go into oranges, and first we're going to go into something lighter, and then at the horizon we have that. So here like so. And as there's sun here, it's going to have a lighter area here. The mountains here don't allow the sun to actually shine on the water on this side. So we're going to put that. And then at the bottom, closer to the bottom, it gets orangier. Like so. And even maybe something pinky orange. Let's warm it up. And then, of course, we have the sun. The sun, I won't do it white. I will do it light yellow. Okay, so let's blend this. In first. Here I'm going to add that violet. And maybe something stronger. Kind of indicate that area where the sun doesn't manage to shine. Here I'm adding that bright yellow and then lightly adding it around to create a kind of glow. Like so. And it reflects from the water. Like so. And I think I want to add something even redder here, something even pinkier. Like so. Okay, and next what we do is we need to create that mountain range. And as the sun is shining and it's backlit, I'm gonna use some of dark reds to actually create the mountain range. And I'm going to add that violet that is in the darks of our water and then the darks of the sky to kind of create a unified image. Like so. And I'm gonna go a bit darker in my violets to create that outline of the mountains that are receiving less light. Over here, just blend it into the mountain. Okay, and now I want to add a bit of that pinkish light shining on this mountain behind here. To kind of create that illusion of the light shining on the mountains. It's shining maybe here, a bit over here. And there we go, our sunset is almost ready. I just want to darken up a bit the sky also, just a bit. And also I see that there is this, now that I looked at it again, of my image, I see that there is a lighter area on the water here, and I'm gonna add it, actually let's add it with yellows. So I'm gonna add something warm yellow, just a bit, a tiny area of reflected light. Like so. And let's darken up the edge of the water. At the bottom here, it's also quite dark. Okay, so this one is done. So let's pass on to the next image.